What if Honda brought back one of its most iconic urban scooters with a bold all-black design, modern technology, and everyday practicality? Meet the 2026 Honda Zoomer Plus Black Edition, a stylish scooter that blends rugged personality with premium urban performance. Let's explore everything this exciting new model has to offer. The first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive Black Edition styling. From the matte black body panels to the black alloy wheels and dark-finished frame, the scooter looks sporty, premium, and ready to stand out on city streets. Honda has kept the iconic minimalist Zoomer-inspired design while giving it a modern twist with sharp LED headlights and LED tail lamps for improved visibility and a futuristic appearance. Reports and online previews suggest a revived Zoomer-inspired concept with updated styling, although Honda has not broadly announced a global production model under this exact name. Powering the scooter is an efficient Honda single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine designed for smooth city commuting. The automatic CVT transmission provides effortless acceleration, making daily rides comfortable even in heavy traffic. The engine focuses on excellent fuel economy, low emissions, and reliable performance, making it suitable for both new and experienced riders. Honda's latest scooter technology continues to emphasize efficiency and ease of use. The riding position is upright and relaxed, with a wide handlebar that gives riders better control. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough roads, while the lightweight chassis makes parking and maneuvering through traffic incredibly easy. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend ride, the Zoomer Plus Black Edition promises a comfortable experience. Technology has also received a major upgrade. A fully digital instrument display provides speed, fuel level, trip information, and other essential riding data. Bright LED lighting improves night visibility, while practical storage compartments and a spacious underseat area increase convenience. Some markets may also offer features like a smart key system and USB charging depending on the final specification. Safety remains a priority for Honda. The scooter features responsive braking with confident stopping performance, while the durable frame offers stability on city roads. Its balanced handling inspires confidence whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising at moderate speeds. Overall, the 2026 Honda Zoomer Plus Black Edition is designed for riders who want something different from an ordinary scooter. Its unique styling, dependable Honda engineering, comfortable ride, and practical everyday features make it an attractive option for urban commuting. If Honda launches this model in more markets, it could become one of the most eye-catching scooters in the premium city commuter segment. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of the latest motorcycle and scooter reviews from Modern Showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.